In this video, we're going to cover how to choose mushrooms. Now, the first few clips are a little bit blurry. I actually took my video camera to Central Market with me so that I could show you some of the different varieties available and to try to take you along while I was choosing my mushrooms. However, it was really busy and the produce manager kept staring at me, so I didn't get a lot of footage. First thing you want to do is to look at the top of the mushroom, feel it if you're able, and make sure that it doesn't feel moist or slimy. The other thing you want to do is to smell the mushrooms. Mushrooms should have a really earthy smell to them. It shouldn't be sour or bitter smelling in any way. Also, if it has a very strong pungent smell to it, you want to avoid that. The next thing you want to do is to flip it over and look at the underside, at the gills. You want to choose gills that are tight and close together. As the mushroom ages, those gills open up. Depending on what you're going to do with the mushrooms, you may want to get mushrooms such as the portobellas that are actually more cup-shaped if you're going to be stuffing them. And you may want to look for mushrooms that don't have any broken edges. Whenever possible, it's best to buy your mushrooms in bulk so that you can touch them and smell them and inspect them. In containers or in bulk, you want to try to choose mushrooms that have not been already sliced and have not been cleaned. As soon as you start slicing the mushrooms or cleaning them, then they're not going to stay as fresh and last as long in the refrigerator. If you're using them the same day and they're sliced and you can tell that they're still fresh, then it's fine. Since mushrooms do store well, if you find them on sale, it's always a great idea to stock up if you're going to have time to either dry them, can them, or use them right away in a recipe.